So in this Scotiabank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to replace your debit card here in the Scotiabank app. So if your debit card was stolen, lost, etc., and you want to replace it for a new one, this is how you're going to do it. So go to the home page here, press on banking, and then select the account that you have the debit card connected to. Once you're on this page where it says transfer from, send money, more, and manage, press on manage. Now once you're here, you can just scroll down to the bottom to where it says replace or change card. Simply go ahead and press on that. Once that is done, you can read here, so replace your card, receive new card by mail, etc. And if all looks good and you want a new card sent to you, just go to the bottom, press on the red replace card button to follow the next steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to replace your debit card if it's lost or stolen or whatever here on the Scotiabank app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.